Within the DNA of every Porsche, there lies a passion for racing. In fact, Porsche is the most successful manufacturer by far in the history of international sports car racing. Porsche models are designed to provide a driving experience that fully reflects that heritage. Porsche vehicles are also designed for operation at high speeds, such as on the Autobahn. This requires brake components that handle not only ordinary driving, but also high-performance driving conditions. Just as on a race car, the Porsche brake system will produce more brake dust than those found on vehicles designed for ordinary driving. Brake dust is a sign that the brake system is operating normally and producing the high braking performance for which Porsche is known. Brake systems generate significant heat during high-performance driving, which is why brake components in Porsche vehicles are designed to be resistant to that heat. When brake components are cold, as in lower temperatures or when the car is first started up, they may make normal sounds not heard in brake systems designed for a lower level of performance. At the end of a high-performance drive, allow the brakes to cool for a few moments before applying the parking brake. This prevents hot brake rotors from possibly warping, which could be the source of vibration and/or noise when braking.